This is a used 2012 Toyota Sienna, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, dual temperature control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats, roof rails, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Jack Schmidt Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1823 Vandalia, Collinsville, Illinois 62234.